Hi guys, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm logicalorange. In this video, I want to take a look at the fundamentals, some of the fundamentals we have had this week for Bitcoin, and some really quick technical analysis on it. Basically, everything is bullish. We just need to check some facts, and we will check some news and some technical patterns that I have plotted this week. So, without further ado, let's go to the fundamentals, and then we will see for the technical analysis.
We gon' make sure you never miss a trade again. Watch how you get paid over and over again. Account management, be careful how you.
So possibly one of the most important news we have had this week is that Visa decided to reveal a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency banking roadmap, which will possibly open the gate to cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, to millions of users through their banking interfaces. So basically, Visa is partnering with, has already partnered with 35 Bitcoin and cryptocurrency platforms in the recent past years. And they basically want to provide integration via API with banks that will provide the possibility to the end user to buy Bitcoin through their bank applications. So basically, you go on your phone, on your bank account, and you can buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, possibly Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. This is extremely bullish because it simplifies the process of acquiring Bitcoin. Basically just brings the process to the user. The user doesn't need to create an additional account on an exchange or create an account on a platform that he doesn't really understand. As you guys know, Binance and every other exchange are fairly complicated to new users. They are very intimidating. So by simplifying the process, they basically open the door to millions of potential investors in Bitcoin. So Visa is the world leader for digital payments. Having revealed a cryptocurrency and blockchain-based roadmap is an amazingly good news for Bitcoin. But right now, let's check something which is a bit less straightforward to analyze, which is, well, the Elon pumps we have had over the week. We have had also last week we've had the Bitcoin pump. This week we have had another Doge pump, and I think he also pumped another coin. The thing is, okay, I appreciate the guy and what he does for SpaceX and Tesla and everything. He's an amazing entrepreneur, but when you say simple stuff like one word and people like react on it in a second, I think that this kind of manipulation, when you see as if I were Elon Musk basically and I saw that I have this kind of influence, I would really think twice before posting something. Last week he posted a hashtag Bitcoin in his description. People reacted explosively. Bitcoin jumped 7% in a matter of hours, and then of course it sold back. The price back down to a normal average. Doge reacted pretty much in the same way. It's scary. I will tell you, this is scary. It is good for now for Bitcoin. I don't know how good it will be in the future, because he could say, like, I don't know, in 7 months or something like that, he could say something slightly negative about Bitcoin, and people will panic and will take his word on it. Now keep in mind that Elon Musk is not a financial guy. He appreciates assets that perform well, which is normal. but I don't think that people should trade on Twitter. Really, this is trading on Twitter. In my opinion, is a stupid way of trading, hard way of trading. I don't agree with it. Of course, you can maybe, if you are one of the lucky guys, catch the pumps in the beginning, but I would never do it as a part of my trading plan. I just wanted to say that for now, Elon's reactions to cryptocurrency are very positive, but they can change. And if they do, the markets will suffer a lot, and people will suffer a lot. And even now with the Dodge pumps, people have suffered because they saw maybe the tweets too late or the news too late, and people have already exhausted the possibilities to buy more, and they have sold, and the ones that enter at the top got liquidated. So yeah, this is basically the effect of a pump and dump done by the guy that has basically the biggest fortune right now on the planet. So with Elon Musk settled, let's move on to the third fundamental news that I have found this week, and it is the Binance Pay. So Binance Pay, what they want to do, Binance Pay want to compete with PayPal basically, and possibly Visa, and they want to launch a service. So Binance Pay is a contactless, borderless, and secure cryptocurrency payment technology designed by Binance, of course, and it allows you to pay using their application. So basically, you set up your account with Binance Pay, which is in beta at the moment, and you will complete a currency payment by just scanning a QR code. So what this means is that the leader in cryptocurrencies exchanges right now, which is Binance. So Binance has the most pairs available. It has a lot of options for you to trade. It has the versatility of a real trading engine. It has a lot of tools that you can use. They are expanding. Basically, every month they are adding a new feature, which is very good for crypto. The bad side is that they will have, at one point, they will be a monopolist, and wherever there is a monopoly, well, stuff gets messed up. And the whole idea with cryptocurrency is that it should be decentralized. Well, this is a larger subject, but for now they are just launching this type of payment system, which is supposed to be very fast and easy to use, and they can for now transfer 6 currencies. They can transfer BNB, BUSD, BTC, XXP, ETH, and Euro. So good news for Europe. You can use BUSD for another option for low volatility coins. And yeah, it's supposed to be an easy to use feature with fast transfers, and basically they are going after the big guys. They are preparing because they know that Visa and PayPal will take a while to set up the whole process for transferring cryptocurrency properly. They know that they can do it faster. Okay, maybe they won't do it better because they have started in the past projects to compete with other big guys, and they basically just tested the waters. If it works, okay. If it doesn't, we leave it like that as a feature, and yeah, whatever. I think, in my opinion, this is a very good feature, and it will help for mass adoption, and it will have a positive impact also for the current users that are on Binance. So now that we are clear on the fundamentals, let's take a look at the technical analysis chart. So starting with the Elon pump, which was here, and then the dump that was very natural. It came down back to the point of confluence at 33.8k. 40k. Then we have managed to break out of the descending channel and break the support resistance legendary trend line that we have had here. So the trend line that I have traced on the daily chart. And then we have slowly continued to the upside, testing and retesting basically each resistance. Now we find ourselves close to the 40k resistance level. So as you can see here, I have plotted a fractal that represents the possibility that I see for the price action in the near future. So basically it is a copy of past candles that have similar patterns, and when I have dropped it right here, so this is the way, this is the point where the pattern starts, I have seen that it really fits the image based on the Fibonacci levels and the pivots indicator I have here. So this is not unusual. So basically when we take candles from the past and we project them to the future, we can see they fit on certain Fibonacci levels, because Fibonacci levels are also based on historical candles. But the way this pattern fits makes me think that, yeah, okay, technically the possibility right here also with the trend line is very high. So basically I can imagine the price going all the way up to 42k, 42.7k, then retracing back. Okay, this happened already before. We just managed to break the highest high, and then it doesn't explode all at once. It just tries to break, and then it comes back down. And on the second attempt, the price action managed to go up, manages to continue. So basically, we have seen this in the past two weeks, basically on every asset, but it's everything is starts at Bitcoin. Bitcoin sets the motion for basically all the other coins. So what I mean is that, well, the price breaks the all-time high, it goes back down for a retest, and then it continues upwards. Okay, so we have seen this multiple times on multiple coins. Ethereum does this also, other coins do it also. Right now I'm very bullish. I think that we will have some issues right here at the 40k level, because it is also a psychological level. There are also a lot of orders placed here. I think that if we manage to break it, we will go to test this area right here, so about 42.7k, and then I think we will retrace at least to this level, so at least back to 41.3k, and then if the volume is enough, if we have some small catalyst that will help us, like, I don't know, like Visa doing something else, or PayPal doing something else, some positive news, I think with the catalyst and with good volume we can break the all-time high, and we can head to the next important level, which is 45k. After 45k we can of course imagine the price hitting 50 and even 55k. But we still have need some time in order to establish a clear level at around that area. For now, my projected levels are the 42.7k level as a top level for now, a possible retrace at 41.3, 41.4, or even slightly lower if we take this trend line into account. Well, the possible retrace could be at around 39.8. The thing is, we will probably break the previous high, we will go back a bit, and then with good volume we can continue further upward. So January started with a boom. At Sublime Traders we have had our best month yet, and believe me guys, cryptocurrency is only going up. The direction is up. We will of course have retraces, but the general direction is highly bullish. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Sublime Traders, join us on our Telegram group. You will have access to all of our resources, our chat, and everything we do. Thank you and happy trading.